Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase. Another one we go bring on another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning nation. Now nation, of course we have to celebrate this and send big up to all of the fans worldwide who continue to support good music. This is another historic moment in a dancehall music history. Vybz Kartel's new album, Born for This, is currently the best-selling album production on Amazon for the reggae category. Nation, give yourself a round of applause. There is no substitute for good music, and Vybz Kartel continues to put out good music. The world knows this, and the support being shown worldwide is a clear reflection of that. Now I'm gonna drop the Amazon link in the description. If you not pre-order the album yet, do so now. It is available on all digital platforms. And speaking of digital platforms, Spotify has reported that Vybz Kartel and his catalog of musical hits received over 1.9 million monthly listeners. Nation, the world is tuned in. These are not simple accomplishments for artists even residing overseas, much less for an artist facing the situations and circumstances being faced by Vybz Kartel. You have to burn feet, and the blessings and the talent to do that, and the overwhelming support of Vybz Kartel's music I receive is well deserved. Time and time again, Vybz Kartel has managed to raise the bar in a dancehall music. And where Jamaica is concerned, through music, Vybz Kartel has exported our culture to the entire world. And Vybz Kartel has also showcased that dancehall music is not limited to any particular subject matter. Vybz Kartel has used music to educate, music to inspire. He has given us music that will make us laugh, music that make the fans cry. Of course, songs for the ladies, them dance and enjoy themselves. There will never be another King Addy. People, this album is a dancehall must have. This is something I'm not going to tell no grand pitney about me. I'm telling you. And despite what some people might think, a win for dancehall music is a win for Vybz Kartel. And a win for Vybz Kartel is a win for dancehall music. If you look on the Amazon bestseller, the other artists who are there are artists who primarily put out reggae music. The teacher put dancehall on the map, bestseller. When you see Spotify that put out numbers, I say 1.9 million monthly listeners. That I show you the love and the support for dancehall music is alive and well. And digital platforms, Vybz Kartel and his music is proof that it can be done, regardless of your country and where you're in the world, regardless of your skin color, regardless of your circumstances. Few are the artists we can even say they experience slightly the situation the Vybz Kartel face and still dominate the place. Big up Siva the Lawyer Zombie. Freedom is a must. Nation, me have to say it, I'm proud to see the worldwide support. The fans requested it, Vybz Kartel delivered, and now the support is evident. And people remember to tell a friend, to tell them sister and them brother them. So the pre-order is available. It's up on Amazon. As a matter of fact, the link in the description. Share that with them. Make them know set up on iTunes. As a matter of fact, the album is available on all digital platforms. So anywhere you currently get your music from, the album is available there. So the people who stream the music, the teacher's catalog of hits is available on all digital platforms also. And in this day and age, majority of music sales, regardless of genre, is now digital. So for Vybz Kartel, as an independent artist, regardless of genre, to be ranked up there with all of the other big name superstars, doing similar numbers without any push from a major record label, well, that speaks to the level of artistry being released by Vybz Kartel and Shorty. When you talk about music and the worldwide marketplace, a talent, artistry and quality, that's how we count. That's why Vybz Kartel say, yo, pick your side because this is a bigger league. In this day and age, it don't have nothing to do with where you come from. It's about what kind of music you put out. And Vybz Kartel remind the dancehall industry of that. And we don't need nobody to say it. The fans know this is a fact. Dancehall music is more entertaining, more exciting, more inspiring with Vybz Kartel in it. We never see artists put out music when move the people the way Vybz Kartel music move the people. And if you can talk about some of the greats in the music, I was not born when them did that perform and I do for them thing. I always see a footage. So when I say this, I say it without prejudice. Currently, Vybz Kartel is the best I've ever seen do it. And this also, of course, goes without question. He will definitely continue to play an inspirational role for the next generation of artists going forward. Because when we talk about creativity and innovation, even other artists, if you admit it, even the artists them will know say bad mind general. When presented with the question, they have to say, yeah, Adi, we talk about lyrical content. Some people feel like say lyricists are people who DJ fast and add a whole heap of rhymes to a fast delivery. And the textbook definition is just a person who writes the words of a popular song or a musical. Truth be told, it is an individual who conveys feeling and emotion, thoughts and an idea through musical content in a creative way. And Vybz Kartel has done so time and time again. Even if other people did make song about a subject matter they already, when Vybz Kartel do it is something entirely different. You should more talk to me in the comment section. Amazon bestseller, 1.9 million listeners on the Spotify. And the album not drop it. The album not drop yet. This is history in the making. Make sure you are a part of it. Pre-order the album now. As stated, this is a music must-have. For all of the people who support good music, we know Vybz Kartel has never failed. We know every track, every album, every EP purchased is money well spent. Big up everybody who already grab or who already pre-order and copy of the album. You know there's something go out, move settings are one nation. But I the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. Comment section up me 24/7. Never lock yet. And this year, go drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions. You know there's something we can continue reasoning to via the comment section. We know how to feel about the vibe. You know what I mean? As I said, definitely an exciting moment in a dancehall history. You know what I mean? Yes. And we all have a front row seat to what take place. You know what I mean? So you know there's something go talk to me in the comment section. Yeah man, I move settings fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper until we reason again.